Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In this today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can change your country in Ome TV. Okay, let's get into it guys. Here I'm going to show you how you can change country in Ome TV for desktop. So I'm opening the Ome TV using my computer and I'm going to show you how we can change the location. If we want to change location or country, we need to use a VPN. So I recommend you to get free VPN for Chrome extension. You can visit this website. You just need to search for free VPN for Chrome and then you can add the extension to your Chrome. So you need to open up the Ome TV using Chrome, and as you can see I have added this extension to my Chrome, and we can go to the Ome TV and go to the Chrome extension. Select this one, free VPN for Chrome, and then you can select your location here. I'm going to choose UK. Okay, and then you can go to the Ome TV browser and you can select the country, the same country with the country you have selected in the VPN. Alright. Okay guys, and that's all the way to change country or location in Ome TV. I hope this video will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching and bye.